Hey journeys, it's Unique and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to come and bring y'all another business promo, and this is going to be from two brands that I recently purchased from this past week. This series on my channel is just my way of giving back to other entrepreneurs and giving you guys a resource of businesses that you may be interested in trying. So if y'all are interested in seeing me unbox what it is that I picked up this week, then stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get into it. The first package that I got is actually from a company called Faces. It's actually by a YouTuber. Her name is Nella Rose. This is actually from her second release. I actually didn't make it in time to get a shirt from the first time that she launched the brand. I honestly forgot about it and it ended up selling out. But this time I was able to catch one because I put an alarm on my phone and I was like, sis, I'm getting my shirt today. Let's go ahead and get this open. So I actually ordered this on September 19th and I'm gonna check to see when it was shipped. It was shipped out on October the 1st. You just have to be a little patient and waiting for it to come if you live in the US like me. Y'all already know I'm not too shy from shopping internationally, and I know what the wait times can be like. We're gonna pop this open. It comes in this black and white poly bag. This is what the thank you card looks like, and on the back it says thank you for shopping with us. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram at faceslondon.co.uk, rocking your fit. Now let's get into this packaging. Pretty simple, minimalistic. Honey, I got scissors and I still mean that I'm going to rip it open with my bare hands. I have no class. This is basically what the shirt looks like. And it just has faces on it in these big bold letters with the face, and then all of this galaxy futuristic looking design. I don't know exactly what the numbers mean, but there's numbers on here. Maybe they're like homage. I would assume those are birthdays. On the side it has Faces London 2020 and it has a few notes on it. It also has a cute little barcode on its side and it says Faces London. This is definitely a winter tee. It's very thick. Oh, this is very different. It has like a diamond in the inside that indicates what size that you got. I never seen nothing like that before. I can definitely see myself rocking this. So cute. I'm happy that I was able to get one this time around. Excited that I finally was able to get my hands on the t-shirt. Y'all know I like to support my other fellow YouTubers and their businesses and their brands. Speaking of YouTubers, I also have another business that I do want to feature. This business is called FemmOfficial. I did a little review for FemmOfficial on one of my vlogs. I am here for the October vibes that this box is giving me right now. What I can say is the shipping for this was extremely fast. Like, I ordered and within the same day that I ordered, I believe that it was shipped. It comes in this box here and it's so cute and compact. Like, oh my gosh, where did you find this? I love the font that's on the official. The box is made so well. It is great quality. Definitely good branding here. This is what it looks like. First things first, I have some lashes. It's black, very sleek. I like that a lot. It's giving me luxury vibes. Like, even on the box it says luxury mink lashes, gold. The inside is gold as well, and these lashes are actually called exclusive. I like this. This box is so nice. I love this gold. I haven't had. Oh, this is so pretty and it doesn't fade or anything. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Too dang on cute. Okay, shout out to you for this packaging. Yes. There's also a personalized note in here that I didn't see at first. Thank you so much, Unique. Well, you are welcome, honey. I'm so happy to support. Very nicely packed. She gets an A for effort. Okay, I'm here for all of this. So the first thing that I got is this Aloe Honey Foaming Facial Cleanser. It comes in a container that looks like this. It also has the branding on there. I want to go ahead and pop this open so we can see what it smells like, because y'all know I love my scents. Okay, I love my scent. It smells very earthy and I love that. Y'all know me. I am a aspiring naturalista. Next, I went ahead and got this body oil, and it is in the brown vanilla. It has sunflower oil, coconut oil, and fragrance added to this. This is giving me melanated goddess in a bottle for some reason, like 24 karat gold. I'm excited to try this on my skin, y'all. I'm thirsty. Like, it smells like brown sugar with like baked goods. Yeah, this is nice. It smells like baked goods. That's the only thing that I can use to describe it. Literally cookies, some good cake, icing. The foodie in me is like, I want dessert. I don't remember ordering this. I really don't, but thank you. It is an African black soap foaming facial wash. This is what it looks like. This gold is everything. So y'all know how I am about my natural skincare. If y'all are also looking for natural skincare products, definitely go and check out FemmOfficial. It's actually owned by another YouTuber. Yes, I'm not gonna make this very YouTuber specific, but my heart feels led every single time. And it's like, I can, I shall, I must, I will. If y'all are looking for natural skincare products as well as a host of other things, FemmOfficial has you covered. A brand by another YouTuber, her name is Darnisha, and her channel is called I Am NESHA. Sis is not new to this, she is true to this, and y'all should definitely go and check her out. I hope that y'all were able to enjoy just a couple of brands that I managed to pick up some things from. These items were not sent to me for free. I purchased these items with my own money, so all of the opinions are definitely my own. I just wanted to use this time and space as a resource for you guys to learn more about entrepreneurs who are out there that look like me and are in some of the same realms that I resonate with, i.e. YouTube, i.e. having your own business as a young woman. If there's any brands that y'all want me to try on the next business promo, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. If you are a brand or business that is looking for promo, you can definitely reach out to me using the contact information in the description box. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye, journeys.